Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna discuss what the PAWS listing price might look like on its first day of trading. Remember, this is just a speculation, not financial advice. To do that, let us first have a look at Hamster Combat, since I believe what PAWS is doing is very similar to Hamster Combat. So here I have gathered some data from the social media. You can check all this data from the references I have listed here, and I provide the link in the description. So for example, the anticipated mean initial listing price for Hamster Combat according to Binance was $0.1 and anticipated max initial listing price was $0.2. So using these two numbers, the pre-market price average will be $0.15. But in the listing day, the price dropped to $0.00652. You can check it in the historical data of the Hamster Combat. And also, after about 40 days, its price dropped to $0.00320. I believe the main driver of this drop is this estimated number of real users banned. Because if you remember, Hamster Combat banned about 2.3 million of the users. I assume 30% of the total number of users banned were the real users, and they are banned unfairly. To explain how the pre-market average price dropped to this value, I found these two magic numbers with some kind of reverse engineering that we achieve these numbers. The real user band negative multiplier at the listing date is 23, so 0.15 divided by 23 will be this value. And also after 40 days, the real user band negative multiplier effect is 47, so 0.15 divided by 47 will be 0.0032. How I calculated this magic number? It's not very difficult. You need to just divide these numbers and find the multiplier which explain the transfer between these values. Now I'm going to use the same formulas for PAWS. Let me unhide this column. Okay, these values again I have extracted from the sources I have given in the description. For PAWS, this real user band negative multiplier effect on the listing date is 667 comparing to Hamster Combat, which was 23. So the PAWS price I expect to be 0.00392 divided by 667, which will be this value 0.50588. And after about 1 month or 40 days, it will be dropped below this value I have given here, 0.50289. This is a warning to the project team. If you do not undo the unjust bans before the trust in this project phase, all the forces of community will be unleashed upon you, and your project will crumble under the weight of lost faith.
You have been warned.